going on, RestoMods Nation? It's Mike. I'm here at the Mustang shop and it's feeling like Christmas. 1967 Mustang Fastback GT behind me. Got a nice little bow on it. And we just got a delivery from Wilwood Brakes. We are going to improve these stoppers. We have a disc brake on the front of this Mustang and drum brakes currently on the back. And after driving it just a bit, it's one of the biggest faults of this car. And we want to bring this car to a modern stopping ability. So we're going to upgrade those bad boys with some Wilwood big dogs. Let's see what we got in these boxes. Wow. So these are going on the front. This is our Wilwood 6-piston brake caliper. This is a monster. So this has 6 pistons inside here. As you can see, all of those are going to be squeezing on that rotor and getting you stopped really fast. So these are going to be a huge improvement, and these are badass. Super excited about those. Look at these things. Ooh, baby.
Well,
look at that.
You see the difference between the one with...
Yeah. No, these are going to be huge. These are great.
I think this is safe. I mean, it's one pin across every.
Yep. No, these are going to be good. Yeah, I'm excited.
Very good.
Wow. So these are going to be 16-inch slotted drilled rotors on the front, and these are no joke. These are big ass brakes. The last, and here's our rear caliper. These are going to be a 4-piston caliper, and those also look super good. And as you can see inside there, 2 pistons here, 2 pistons on the front. There's those brakes. And here is those rotors. Big old rotors on the back as well. More goodies. You get a t-shirt here. Thank you for that. Some brake cables. And these are gonna be, our braided lines, braided shit. There's the brake lines. So this is gonna connect to our master cylinder, which I'm assuming this is right here. And there we go. So new Wilwood master cylinder for under the hood. New discs, new rotors, new calipers, all new brakes. We're really excited about this, and stay tuned. We're gonna get these Wilwoods on our 67 Mustang GT, and stay tuned. You could be the winner of this car, and these could be your Wilwood brakes. We're gonna throw it on there. Stay tuned, and we'll show you what it stops like when it's done. Want to learn more about our 67 Mustang Fastback build? Check out this video right here. Wondering if you can really win? Check out our last winner's video right here. Don't miss out on any of our content. Smash that subscribe button, hit that bell below, and get notified every time we drop a video.